Hi, I'm Jessie here and welcome to another DIY. Here I decided to transfer a small area of my house into a reading nook. Here I need to cut a lot of cardboard sheets and I'm using a regular craft knife like this. As you can see, the length or height of the blade can be adjusted according to the thickness of the cardboard we are cutting, so it will protect the underneath surface. And as a protection, you can leave an extra cardboard under it also. Piece of cardboard I'm marking here has to be on this part of the wall. Here I'm measuring and marking the points to indicate where the center part has to be. And I plan to mark some geometric shapes. It is very important to number the pieces accordingly. Adjust the height of the blade and we can start cutting the shapes. Then I cut out the other cardboard sheets for the second part of the wall. The fabric I'm using is crushed velvet. It is a 4-way stretchy material. Place the cardboard shapes onto the fabric and cut it out. We need to leave an extra 2 cm allowance on all sides. To get a plumped up appearance, I'm using regular cushioned fibre. Instead of fibre, you can use upholstery foam. I'm not using it because I don't have a huge budget for this project. At the same time, I want to keep it very light in weight. To attach the panels to the wall, I'm using double-sided tape. Not all tape work the same, so you should always test it on your wall, on an unnoticed part of your wall. Here I'm attaching the panels into the wall according to the number. I hold it on there for a while until the glue dries. To make a box sofa, I'm using so many cardboard pieces and gluing it together to make a thick piece like this. Then I'm gluing it to the base board. In this part, I'm using heavy duty hot glue. While gluing the parts together, we need to hold it there for a while until the glue sets. Then I secured all parts with some extra glue.
Mama, can you switch the computer on?
Here I'm using the tape to get an extra support. I'm using fabric to cover the two sides which will be coming closer to the wall. Then I used a small strip of fabric to cover the possibly visible part of the box. Then I cut 3 cardboard pieces like this to cover the front side of the sofa. Cut the fabric according to the size. To make the box more strong and prevent it from collapsing, I'm using a thick cardboard sheet and interlocking it with 2 more pieces. Doing like this will help to organize the storage and spread the pressure while sitting on it. I'm gluing on a piece of fabric which I cut out from an unused bed linen. To cover the bottom part of the sofa, I cut out a fabric material which is waterproof, and it is from an old baby mattress. You might have noticed already that in my old videos I tried to substitute so many things with materials which I already have in my home, and it actually helps to save some money, and I think it will help to inspire the people to reuse and recycle. The next part is to make a lid for it. For that I'm using again a thick cardboard sheet, then a 2.5 inch thick foam, and a fabric with at least 10 cm seam allowance on 4 sides. I'm making a removable cover with a drawstring opening method. For that I sew on a piping hole and insert the string into it. The fabric I used for this project is way stretchier than the regular materials, so I thought it will be more than enough, but I ended up with just a bit less than what I expected. So I suggest you to take some extra, like a 10 cm allowance on 4 sides. That's the end of today's project, and hope you all enjoyed it. Until I see you next week, bye bye.